will guide you through how to make a pull-in transition in DaVinci Resolve. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open DaVinci Resolve on your computer and waiting for the program to load completely. Once the software is ready, click New Project to create a new project and give it a suitable name if desired. After entering the project workspace, go to the Edit tab to begin editing your video and access the timeline and editing tools. Next, import the 2 clips you want to edit into the media pool so they are available for use in the project. When the clips have been imported successfully, drag the first clip onto the timeline and place it in the desired starting position. Then drag the second clip onto the timeline as well and place it directly after the first clip. Once both clips are on the timeline, trim or select the section of the video where you want to add the transition. Make sure the chosen area is appropriate for a smooth visual change between the clips. After preparing the clips, click on the Effects panel to access the available editing effects and transitions. Inside the Effects panel, open the Video Transitions category to view the different transition options provided by DaVinci Resolve. Search for a zoom in transition, which can be used to create a pull-in style effect between 2 clips. When you find a transition, drag it onto the cut point between the 2 clips and position it precisely so it is applied at the exact location where the clips meet. After placing the transition, open the Inspector panel to access its adjustable settings. Use the inspector to adjust the transition duration so it matches the timing and pacing you want for your video. A shorter duration creates a faster effect, while a longer duration results in a more gradual transition. Once the duration is set, customize the transition settings as desired to achieve the look that best fits your project. For an even smoother result, you can also add a blur effect during the transition, which helps blend the movement between the clips and creates a more polished appearance. After making all necessary adjustments, preview the edited video to check the result and ensure the transition plays smoothly. Export your video using your preferred render settings to create the completed version.